Good morning, pupils. The lesson is integers. We have learned the many functions of integers: multiples, divide, addition, subtraction, closure property, commutative property, associate property, and many types of other functions. The last, the facts of the remember. What are the facts you can remember and use in the future? The first, the numbers from the infinitive -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, infinitive, etc. are integers. It means 0, positive numbers and negative numbers. All are called integers. Integers is the complete numbers without having any fraction. All integers have 1 in divide of himself. Next, 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. Integer 0 is not a negative integer and nor a positive integer. 0 is less than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. 0 is less than every positive numbers and greater than every negative numbers. 0 is greater than -5, 0 is greater than -3, 0 is greater than 100, -100, and 0 is less than 1, 0 is less than 5. The next facts to remember: the absolute value of an integer is its numerical value regardless of its sign. Absolute value of integer. The absolute value. It means the value of an integer without any signs. It means the absolute value of -5 and absolute value of 5 are equal because it is the value without any sign. The absolute value of -3 and the absolute value of 3 are equal because it is the absolute value, numerical value of the regardless of its sign, without sign. The next, to add two integers with like signs. It means 1 plus 2 equal to 3 and -1 plus -2 equal to -3. To add two integers with like signs, we add their numerical value and put the common sign with the sum. It means -3 plus -2. If we add both, then we add the numerical value of 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and put the minus sign after the sum. And the 3 plus 4, we add the numerical value of 3 and 4, 7, equal to 7, and put the positive sign is in the Next, to add the two integers with unlike signs, we take the difference of their numerical value and put the sign of the integers having the greater absolute value. It means if we add -4 and 2, then we difference because the -4 is negative and 2 is positive, then we take the difference of their numerical value 4 and 2, difference of 4 and 2 equal to 2, and uh, put the sign of the entities having the greater absolute value, put the minus sign because the -4 is greater absolute value of the integers. Next, to subtract an integer b from an integer a, we change the sign of b and add it to the a. It means if we add subtract 2 -2 from 2, then we change the sign of -2, it become positive, and 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Minus a and a are the additive inverse of negative of each other. It means the minus a and a are additive inverse because that value is 0. If we add -1 plus 1, it becomes 0. If we add -2 plus 2, it becomes 0. If we add -3 plus 3, it becomes 0. And if we add -5 plus 5, it becomes 0. To find the product of two integers with unlike signs, we multiply their numerical value and give a minus sign to the product. If we multiply by -3 by 2, then first we multiply the absolute value or the numerical value 3 to the 6 and put the negative signs. The product of two integers with unlike sign always having the sign of negative. Next, to find the product of two integers with unlike sign. Like signs always become positive product and the unlike sign always become negative point, minus signs of the product. Next, the quotient of two negative or two positive integers is always positive. It means if we divide -3 to -1, its quotient is positive, and if we divide 4 by 2, then it's become positive. The quotient of one positive and one negative integers is always negative. If we divide -4 by 2, then the quotient is -2. And if we divide -3 by 1 equal to result is -3. Okay, thank you. Do this your notebook and remember them. It is used for the future for your remember and use in the better solving of the integers problems, and the total Facts of remember is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, thank you.